Happy 4th to you. We have some of the fireworks that are happening around Central Virginia. Some of the celebrations taking place. Of course, we have at Dogwood Dell. Performances begin at 5:30. Fireworks will begin at 9:15. The Star Spangled Squirrels Fest at the Diamond from 6 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. And then the Chesterfield County 4th of July celebration at the fairgrounds. That begins at 5 p.m. If you're heading up towards King's Dominion, the Star Spangled Nights, that begins at 10 p.m. A little bit more information here. The Dogwood Dell 4th of July celebration that'll be taking place. Again, fireworks starting at 9:15. There will be road closures, no parking zones in place, 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. You may want to take advantage of the free shuttle. That begins at City Stadium at 4 p.m. A portion of Arthur Ashe Boulevard will be closed between Blanton and Idlewood Avenues. No parking zones in place there as well, and the boulevards will be closed. This is today at 8 o'clock this evening. You may want to use the Powhite Parkway Bridge. I'm Kristen Lures, CBS 6 Traffic.